Hello everyone, welcome in SRG Technical. In previous video, we have performed practical number 3, troubleshoot PMMC and MI instrument. Now, in this video, we are going to perform practical number 4, measurement of AC and DC quantities. Measurement of AC and DC quantities. Practical significance: in the industry, electrical engineering diploma graduates are expected to handle measuring instruments to measure electrical quantities. Okay, in the industry, electrical engineering diploma graduates are expected to handle measuring instruments to measure electrical quantities. Therefore, this practical will help you to acquire necessary skill. Relevant program outcomes POs: discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools. Relevant program outcomes: apply electrical engineering knowledge to solve broad-based electrical engineering related problems. Okay, experiment and practice: plan to perform experiments and practice to use the result to solve broad-based electrical engineering problems. Okay, this is the experiment and practice. And engineering tool: apply relevant electrical technologies and tools with an understanding of the limitations. Okay, competency and practical skills. This practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency. Use relevant measuring instrument in different electrical applications. Okay, use voltmeter for measurement of voltage, use ammeter for measurement of current. Relevant course outcome: identify electrical measuring instrument, use voltmeter and ammeter for electrical measurement. Okay, now our practical outcome is measure AC and DC quantities in a working circuit. Okay, measure AC and DC quantities in a working circuit. Relevant affective domain related outcomes: follow safety practices, maintain tools and equipments, follow ethical practices. Okay, these are the relevant affective domain related outcomes. Okay, minimum theoretical background: a voltmeter is an instrument used for measuring electrical potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. Analog voltmeters move a pointer across a scale in proportion to the voltage of the circuit. An ammeter from ampere meter is a measuring instrument used to measure the current in a circuit. Electric current are measured in amperes, hence the name ampere meter or ammeter. Instrument used to measure smaller currents in the milliamperes or microamperes range are designated is milliammeters or microammeters. Okay, this is the minimum theoretical background for this practical number 4, and this is practical setup. Okay, this is practical setup, circuit diagram, work situation. Okay, practical setup, circuit diagram, work situation. Here is the one voltmeter is used and ammeter is used. Figure 1, front view of voltmeter and ammeter. Circuit diagram. Okay, circuit diagram, measurement of AC quantities. This is the circuit diagram for measurement of AC quantities. Here is the single phase 230 volt AC supply given through ICDP. Okay, ironclad double pole switch. This is the ICDP switch. Okay, and fuse. Okay, dimmer stat, or we can say auto transformer, dimmer stat, auto transformer or VARAC here we use. Okay, and this is a voltmeter connected across dimmer stat, and this is ammeter connected in series with the load Okay, this is ammeter connection. This is the circuit connection for performing this practical number 4, measurement of AC quantities. Figure 2, measurement of AC quantities. Okay, measurement of DC quantities. Student should draw the circuit diagram, space for circuit diagram. Okay, measurement of DC quantities, figure 2. Okay, it is drawn by the student should draw this circuit diagram. Okay, measurement of DC quantities. Name of resources or resources required, serial number 1 2 3 4, voltmeter, ammeter, resistive lamp load, single phase Varroc. Okay, suggested broad specification 0 1 10 ampere MI or PMMC. Okay, ammeter quantity 1, voltmeter 0 to 50, 50 to 75, up to 300 volt MI PMMC type. Okay, 9 ampere required, 9 ampere resistive lamp load, 9 ampere to 30 volt, 2.5 kilowatt. Okay, and single phase Varroc 0 to 230 volt, 4 ampere. Okay, precautions to be followed: select proper range of meters, be careful while selecting AC DC meters, don't increase the current beyond meters capacity, don't touch the live wire. This is the precautions while performing this practical number 4. Don't touch live wire. Use auto transformer to carry AC voltage for safety reason. Okay, sorry, use auto transformer to vary AC voltage for safety reason. Procedure: measurement of AC quantities. Measurement of AC quantities. Make the connections as per the circuit diagram. Check and adjust zero setting of ammeter and voltmeter if any. Keep the auto transformer at minimum position. Switch on the supply. Gradually increase the output of auto transformer up to rated voltage. Switch on the load switch. Switches in steps. Note voltmeter and ammeter reading in observation table. Repeat step 6 and 7 for 4 times. Okay, repeat steps 6 and 7 4 times. Switch off the load and gradually decrease the output of auto transformer to minimum. Okay, switch off the supply. This is procedure for measurement of AC quantity. Okay, then measurement of DC quantity procedure is should write by the student. Okay, measurement of DC quantities. Here resources used, student should write the resources required. Okay, name of resource, make, details, quantity if any. Okay, I use the resources for this practical. I show you. Okay, here we can say I used one Varroc which is made ME Mahesh Electricals. Details of this Varroc: single phase 230 volt Varroc variable AC supply. Okay, and quantity is 1. Then second resource for this practical is voltmeter. Okay, voltmeter made by again Mahesh Electricals ME. Okay, details of this voltmeter: single phase 300 volt MI type, moving iron type voltmeter I have used here. Quantity 1. Okay, then ammeter. Then ammeter here. Okay, made by Meko V, and the details 5 to 10 ampere I have used here for this practical. The quantity is 1. Okay, lamp load bank. Okay, lamp load bank, or we can say resistive load bank. This is made by MD Electricals. Okay, here, and specification 3 phase 415 volt 10 ampere. From 3 phase I have used the single phase only. Okay, and quantity is 1. Then I will show you during practical. Okay, here actual procedure followed: use blank sheet provided if space not sufficient. Observations and calculations. Observations and calculation. Measurement of AC quantities. Okay, Here we can write voltmeter reading, and here should write ammeter readings. Okay. Measurement of DC quantities. Observation table for measurement of DC quantities. Okay, student should perform this practical measurement of DC quantities with circuit diagram and resources required and observation table. Okay, voltmeter reading, ammeter reading. I perform only measurement of AC quantities. Okay, I perform only measurement of AC quantities. Results, interpretation of results. Student, write over here interpretation of results, all these things. Conclusions also written by the student. Practical related questions. Okay, practical related questions. EMI instrument can be used for measurement of AC current. Okay, can be used for measurement of AC current. State whether this statement is true or false. Justify your answer. EMI instrument हे AC करंट मेजर करण्यासाठी यूज करता येते. ओके, स्टेट वेदर दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, हे खरं आहे की चुकीचं आहे कारणासहित स्पष्ट करा. ॲमीटर इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड इन सिरीज अँड व्होल्टमीटर इन पॅरलल. जस्टिफाय द स्टेटमेंट. ओके, ॲमीटर हे नेहमी सिरीजमध्ये आणि व्होल्टमीटर हे पॅरलमध्ये कनेक्ट केलं जातं, कारणांसहित स्पष्ट करा. ओके, हे दोन क्वेश्चन आहेत प्रॅक्टिकलशी संबंधित आहेत, त्यांचे आन्सर्स मुलांनी इथे लिहायचे आहेत. स्पेस फॉर answer. Okay, then references, suggestions for further reading. Okay, these are the books for references are given. Suggested assessment scheme, suggested assessment scheme, performance indicator. Okay, process related 6 marks and product related 4 marks. Okay, handling of the instruments again 10%, identification of components, dial scale 20%, measuring value using suitable instrument 20%, working in team 10%. Okay, this is the process related performance indicator 6 marks and product related for 4 marks. Okay, writing result 10%, interpretation of result 5%. Okay, conclusions 5%, practical related questions 15%, submitting the journal in time 5%. Okay, total 100%. Here name of the student, team members, write over here. Marks obtained a process related out of 6 and product related out of 4, total out of 10. Dated, signature of teacher. Okay, now we will going to perform actual practical of measuring AC quantities. Measuring AC quantities. Okay, I have shown resources used. Okay, now I will going to show you circuit diagram, actual circuit diagram. Okay, this is 230 volt single phase AC supply. I have taken from this panel, practical panel. Okay, and this is variable AC supply is given 230 volt single phase AC supply variable. Okay, and here we can say one ammeter made by Meko V. Okay, and one voltmeter made by Mahesh Electricals I have used here, and lamp load I have used. Okay, this is the 3-phase lamp load, resistive lamp load. From this, out of this I have one used Y phase. Okay, my practical is single phase, so I have used only one phase from this 3-phase load bank. Okay, and the connections are here. Okay, see here, from this ICTP. Okay, from this ICTP I have used here variable AC supply. We can see here in the diagram also. Okay, this is the dimmerstat or rheostat, auto transformer variable supply. It gives single phase variable AC supply. Across this I have connected voltmeter. Okay, Here across this I have connected one voltmeter. You can see here. For measuring voltmeter, and in the series I have connected 10 ampere range ammeter. Okay, in the series I have connected 10 ampere range of ammeter. Here we see here one wire from the variable AC supply auto transformer is connected to the common and from 10 ampere I have connected this wire to the red wire to the Y phase of the this lamp load. Okay, now precautions to be followed. Okay, ensure that the auto transformer is on 0 position. Okay, knob is on 0 position. Here we can say, here we can see here, okay, the knob of auto transformer is in 0 position. Okay, put the 0 position, all the switches are off. Now follow the step by step procedure. Here the procedure is given. Make the connection as per the circuit diagram. I have connected all the circuit as per the circuit diagram. Okay, then check and adjust 0 setting of ammeter. Then check and adjust 0 position of ammeter. Here in the mirror image, this is the ammeter is correct, is on 0 position. Okay, we can see here. Okay, the ammeter is exact of 0 position. Keep the auto transformer at minimum position. Keep the auto transformer at minimum position. Here we see here the knob is on 0 position. Okay, then next procedure, switch on the supply. Okay, I will going to switch on the supply. Okay, here switch on the supply. Okay, I have also turned on single phase variable AC supply switch on. Okay, gradually increase the output of auto transformer up to rated voltage. Okay, gradually increase. Okay, sorry. I have increased it gradually. Okay, up to rated voltage. We can see on the voltmeter also, voltage is as now 180 volt, 200 volt. Okay, I set the voltage for 220 volt. Okay, 220 volt is the maximum voltage for our practical. Okay, then note voltmeter and okay, switch on the load. Switch on the load switch. Switches in steps. Note voltmeter and ammeter readings. Okay, here I have writing first reading of voltmeter is 220. Sorry, 220 volt. Okay, ammeter is in 0 position. 0 position because of not any load is on. Okay, now switch on the load switch. Switches in steps. Okay, I will going to switch load. Here we can see the lamp is blown. Okay, now take the reading of ammeter. Now take the reading of ammeter. Here it is connected for 10 ampere. It is connected in 10 ampere. So the scale range is lower. Okay, we observe range of scale is in lower, and mirror image you can say it is a 1.99 something, near 2 ampere. Okay, near 2 ampere. Okay, this is for next step. I have switched on the load and voltage is 220 hold. Okay, 2 ampere, current is 2 ampere. Then next I will switch on again 2 switches. Okay, here, and now current gets increased. Observe ammeter. Okay, now current is in ammeter shown exact mirror image. We can see near about 3 ampere. Okay, we can say 2.9999 okay ampere right down over here, and the voltmeter slightly get decreased from 222, it is a 218. Okay, it is now, it is 218. Whatever readings we will get right in observation table, 218 volt, and current is for 2.99 something, near about 3 ampere. Okay, near about 3 ampere. Then repeat step 6 and 7 for this experiment. Okay, here is the practical diagram, and I have shown to you exact practical. Okay, student should also write here the voltmeter range, ammeter range, other equipment, load bank range. Okay, in this way I have performed fourth practical number 4, measuring AC and DC quantities. Same for DC quantities, student should connect all the circuitry and noted down a reading in observation table and write the results, interpretation of results, and conclusion for this experiment. Okay, here is the reading. Okay, now gradually decrease the load. Here, by decreasing load, current gets reduced. We can observe ammeter gets decreased. Okay, again I have decreased load. 0. Now I will reduce the Varroc also. And switch off the supply, main supply. Okay, in this way we perform practical number 4, measurement of AC quantities. Same way student should perform measurement of DC quantities and write all the things related practicals, results, interpretation of results, and conclusion of results. Keep watching SRG Technical for next practical, next experiment. Thanks for watching this video.